Based on my research, this is the marketing strategy research I did for Nike. First, let's start to tackle the history of Nike. Nike, originally known as the Blue Ribbon Sports, was founded by Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman on January 25, 1964, and it was officially renamed it to Nike Incorporation on May 30, 1970. The company got its name from a Greek goddess of victory, Nike. Today, Nike is an American multinational corporation that is engaged in design, development, manufacturing, and worldwide marketing, sales of footwear, apparel, equipment, accessories, and services. Their mission is to bring inspiration, innovation to every athlete in the world. Hence the motto, just the political change. In 2017, President Donald Trump signed an executive order signaling that the U.S. will not be joining the TPP. The TPP, or the Trans-Pacific Partnership Trade Deal. The TPP being a trade agreement between 12 countries including Australia, Vietnam, Mexico, Canada, New Zealand, among others would lower tariffs for the 12 countries across the Pacific Rim. And the U.S. joining the TPP would have reduced or eliminated tariffs for shoes imported from Vietnam and some other countries into, into the U.S., reducing the built-in cost to outsource sneakers manufacturing overseas for Nike and other manufacturers. If the U.S. joins the TPP trade deal, it would boost its profit margin. But since President Donald Trump signed an executive order signaling that the U.S. will not be joining, Nike will face high taxes which would affect its profitability. In addition, the U.S.-China trade war by President Trump and Xi Jinping threatens the profitability of Nike, as its costs of imports and exports to China would rise, affecting its profit margin. Fortunately, Nike will be safe and won't be affected from the China-United States trade war. Economic factor. Low interest rates have for long supported growth in the athletic footwear industry, as the cost of borrowing funds is low. The high interest rates in the U.S. affect the profitability of footwear companies. Even though interest rate increases have been small, they increase the footwear producers' cost of funds that affect the profitability of footwear companies like Nike. In addition, U.S. have a high economic growth, which gives Nike an opportunity to improve its profit margin. With this, the unemployment rates dropped to 3.9%, gaining over 164,000 jobs in April of 2018, according to the report by the Department of Labor. With with the low employment rates, most consumers have the confidence to purchase Nike products, which improves its profitability. Social factor. The increased number of Americans joining fitness clubs influence demand for fitness products. Hence, Nike can target this population. The growing number of Americans who wants to live healthier lifestyle gives Nike a chance to sell such product to these consumers. Technological factor. Nike is stepping into the future. It developed a smart shoes that have a self-lacing capability. Nike also recently introduced an augmented reality technology into its Paris flagship store that enables customers to design their own customized sneakers using the Nike ID boot. This helps to increase customer satisfaction as the customer gets his or her desired sneaker design. In addition, Nike has invested in robotic technology to replace the expensive human labor and increase productivity. Automation can help Nike in two major ways that includes increase in profit margin due to the decreased labor costs. Robots can offer a range of services like laser cutting, automated gluing, among others, and enabling the company to deliver new designs to fashion-conscious customers faster. Legal factor. Students and activists around the world organized by United Students Against Sweatshops protested Nike. The, the students protested child labor sweatshops where it is believed that workers at Nike contract factory in Hansei, Vietnam labored for hours in temperature over the legal limit of 90 degrees to the point that they would collapse at their sewing machines, suffering from wage theft and verbal abuse. In addition, Nike denied the independent monitoring group Worker Right Consortium access to inspect its contract factories, which would become a serious problem since its own $4 billion retail market for university logo products, mostly apparel. Most universities among WRC 190 university affiliated have parted ways with Nike and allowed their contracts to expire. This is not only affect the profitability of Nike, but also its reputation. Environmental factor. To reduce environmental pollution through dumping in landfills, Nike has incorporated recyclable materials in 75% of its products. Nike creates its product by transforming plastic bottles and manufacturing scraps into new materials that can be reused to manufacture shoes to Nike Grind program. Besides reusing, Nike also manufactures some of its most products in a sustainable way, and air is one of Nike's most sustainable innovations. In addition, Nike signed its second major wind contract with Avangrid Renewable as a step forward to use 100% renewable energy across all its owned or operated facilities in North America to promote sustainability. The SWOT analysis of Nike Corporation. Strong brand awareness, huge customer base, aim for sustainability, iconic relationship, superior marketing capabilities. Weaknesses: poor labor conditions in foreign countries, retailers have a strong hold, pending debts, de- dependency on US market, lost opportunities, emerging markets, innovative products, efficient integration. Threats: increased competitive pressure, counterfeit products, foreign exchange risk. Products. These are the different products that Nike offers. Shoes, apparel, equipment, accessories, and services. Place. Nike sells its product to a large number of outlets worldwide, like retail stores or through online. Promotion. The company uses promotional tactics to communicate with target customers about its product and persuade these consumers to purchase the product. They promote it using advertising, personal selling, direct marketing, sales promotion, and public relations. Price. Nike investment in technology is linked with a strategy to offer its products at a premium, but still the company considers current market conditions in setting its price point and price range by using value-based pricing strategy. by selling their product in considerate price. The premium pricing strategy, in the other hand, involves high-profile celebrity, making products more expensive.